What is a voltmeter? For what purpose do we use it? Is there any connection between a voltmeter and a galvanometer? If there is, then how does that work? Let us perform an interesting experiment to convert the given galvanometer of known resistance and figure of merit into a voltmeter. Apparatus and materials required. The materials required for this experiment are resistance box. A resistance box is used to provide the desired resistance in the circuit. It is basically a box that contains many circular knobs. Each knob represents a particular value of resistance. Removing a knob adds its corresponding resistance to the circuit. Multiple knobs are removed to get the desired value of resistance using their combination. Let us say we need a resistance of 100 ohms, so the circular knob corresponding to 100 ohms will be removed. And if we need a resistance of 300 ohms in the circuit, we will have to remove 100 ohms and 200 ohm knobs. This will put 100 ohms and 200 ohms resistance in series, resulting in 300 ohms net resistance. We will require a galvanometer of known resistance and figure of merit K. A galvanometer can measure the current of a particular maximum value and cannot measure one beyond that value. This maximum value of current is thus the current limit for the given galvanometer. We will also be needing a battery eliminator. It is a device used to get the desired output DC voltage. It has inbuilt transformers to perform this task. A battery eliminator eliminates the need to change the batteries to change the voltage output. Instead, rotating its knob will change the voltage output. We will also use a rheostat. It is a device with variable resistance. It is used to change the current flowing through the circuit. For this experiment, we will also require a voltmeter. A voltmeter is an instrument used for measuring the potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit. A voltmeter is connected in parallel with the component across which the potential difference is to be measured. Apart from these materials, we will also require a one-way key, connecting wires and a sandpaper. I hope now you should be able to identify the apparatus and materials required for this experiment.